Hello, Jesse Smiley here, and you're watching Trading Cards on Trading Cards Today. I got this, a blaster of Looney Tunes from Fleer Retro and Upper Deck. This is cool. You can get a lot of different parallels and special cards like Metal and Merry Melodies. The thing everyone's hunting for is this, the Jambalaya, which is, if you look at the odds here, 1 in every 5,184 packs, so we should get at least 2 in this box. You just get 5 packs per box. I like the pack art actually. It's pretty cool. Unlock exclusive limited numbered Metal Universe shiny parallels. I want an Elmer Fudd. Or that frog that sings, "Hello, my baby, hello, my honey." Some more odds. Whoa, these cards are nice. Rhoda Roundhouse. I don't know this character. This is just the base. Dang, these cards are hot. And then we got Yosemite Sam and a lion. Circus Sam, the Lion Tamer. What do these cards look like on the back? Rhoda Roundhouse competes in a variety of events and attempts to maintain her titles by playing dirty. Her efforts are in vain, however, when she is challenged by the likes of Bugs Bunny and Lola Bunny, leading to some serious Rhoda rage. Oh, looks like we got a Michigan J Frog. I should have asked for the Jambalaya. I didn't know it was going to be this easy. Michigan J Frog can sing and dance, but not on command usually. Some people have a hard time trying to profit off of this frog's talents. Cool. We got a blue parallel for the Weasel. I think these are 1 per pack. Who's this Weasel? The Weasel would love to eat a nice fat juicy chicken, but the barnyard dog protects the chickens. Even when Foghorn Leghorn allies with him to make that dog look bad, the Weasel's overeagerness and Foghorn's clumsiness usually spell disaster for both of them. Pete Puma? All the characters you remember from Looney Tunes. And Playboy Penguin. Ho 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 ho! Oh, we got Tweety. That's an iconic Looney Tune. Like that Tweety. Petunia Pig. Looks like it's a pretty classic animation style for Petunia Pig. On the back we got another Michigan J Frog. We got the Michigan J Frog Blaster. And our special cards are coming up. Ooh, we got a Merry Melodies. Look at that, the foil board. Rabbit Fire. It's Elmer season. Wow, look at that shine. That is quite the foil. Our blue card is Underground Tea Party. Oh, these little guys that are like, indubitably. Right? These little guys. Would you like some tea? Oh, yes, I'd love some tea. How about I get some tea for you? That's these guys, I think. It looks just like me. It's Elmer Fudd with the hunting trophy. Bugs Bunny fools Elmer Fudd into thinking that he is the rabbit hunter of the year for catching the best rabbit bugs. Elmer smiles at his award, which looks just like him, but Bugs tells him that the award is for the runner-up. Elmer's real award is a golden anvil that falls on Elmer's head. That'll kill him. Then they did a big funeral for Elmer Fudd. So this product, you can't really get autographs or sketches or any hits like that. It's just the numbered cards, the jambalaya inserts. We got the barnyard dog. We heard about him. Pizza Arriba has feedback. Oh, we got Granny in the blue. On the back, we got selling to a bank robber. And the coyote gets ready. And then our jambalaya for this pack is Granny. Well, it's a Fleer Ultra throwback card. We got a couple grannies here. This is from Puppies Got Claws in 2019. I like the different styles. It kind of reminds me of Panini's Chronicles, where you open cards and they're all from all the different Panini sets. Upgrade the Roto Racer. Oh, we got the Bugs Bunny. It's a classic Bugs too. He doesn't look like that anymore. That's cool. Does it say anything about how iconic this rabbit is? As Bugs Bunny munches on his carrots, he says, "What's up, Doc?" He isn't just an ordinary rabbit whom a hunter like Elmer Fudd can easily take out. Anyone who messes with this rabbit will endure a heaping response of tricks and gags that will frustrate them or even hurt them. Our blue Speedy Gonzalez. On the back, we got Lola Bunny. Goes with the Bugs. And we also got a Yeehaw! Yosemite Sam and the Mechanical Bull. We also got a medal in this pack. Haven't seen what the medals look like yet. Boom! Oh, it's the Roadrunner. This is a cool looking medal. Might be my favorite card so far. Michigan J Frog was good too. Alright, last pack. Let's get something numbered. Let's get a jambalaya. Sawing his bindings. It's weird. Fighting an alligator. Some more of the newer Looney Tunes. In the back, oh, our first Martian Manhunter ready to blow up the Earth. Oh, what's his name? Marvin the Martian, a Martian Manhunter. My bad. Whoa, we got an autograph. I just said you can't get autographs in this set. That's crazy. What is this? Daffy Duck autograph? Eric Baza as the voice of Daffy Duck. Congratulations, you've received a trading card featuring the autograph of Eric Baza. What? This doesn't say anything about autographs on the checklist in the back here, where it talks about your odds. There's nothing about autographs. Well, what a treat that is. My oh my. Wile E. Coyote, the Blue Parallel, and Egbert, which was my nickname in high school. All right, well, that was it. That's Looney Tunes. I gotta say, if all the blasters are like this, I highly recommend it. I recommend you pick this one up. Thank you all so much for watching, and take care, everybody. See you soon.